Eris is my silly little one. Oh, you're so silly today. You're so silly today. Uh-huh. Oh, really? I see. Yes. Oh. Oh. You really want to get that monkey, huh? Monkey, 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 monkey. What about the toucan? Oh, the toucan's even cooler. I put a ring on the toucan. Do you want the ring? Oh, wait. Say, oh, Dad, I just don't have hands yet. If I did, I would take it. So you want to put it back on the toucan? You know what they say? One toucan better than toucan toucan. Toucan better than one toucan can? Yeah, toucan better than one toucan can. So, oh, that's funny, huh? Yes. It's so mysterious. Oh, no, we dropped the ring. Ka-dunk. Is that quite interesting? Oh, yes. Such a grown-up girl. Are you 7 weeks old now? What? 7 weeks. 7 weeks you've been freeloading in my house? Man. I'll sing you a nursery story. Don't be a dirty socialist. Don't be a dirty socialist. If you are a dirty socialist, then you will be a dirty socialist. And no one loves a dirty socialist because they're dirty socialists. You know? Is it a good song, though? Alright, good girl. I see, yes. One toucan better than toucan can. So, do you know your ABCs yet? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, Eris. Oh, you can hear a theme song in the background. Why, it's Eris' theme from Final Fantasy VII. Yep, she has her own little theme song. What a silly girl. What a silly girl. Did you go to the Butterfly Conservancy today? Yeah? Was it said it was hot in there, huh? Yeah, you slept through a lot of it. Did you know that a butterfly landed on your head? I see. Oh, it's such a silly goose. Toucan! Oh, you didn't like that? You didn't like that toucan attack, huh? Toucan! Toucan can! You know what I see walk across this patio all the time? Especially if I'm out reading at night? Scorpions. Big, fatty scorpions. Yeah, so you keep an eye out for them. And if any of them crawl into your bed, share it with them politely. Alright? Be kind to all creatures. Even scorpions.